auction cart, as you can see. I don't know, maybe you can see, maybe you can't. We got some templates. We're gonna make up one for the future switch panel, and we got one for our new fuel pump we got, so we can actually use the gas tank that's on it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and stop wasting time talking and get to it. Alright, as you see, we got everything mounted up here, looking pretty decent here. I still gotta put a hole in the middle of that to hold that plate on, but once I do that, we'll be ready to paint these things, let them dry overnight, and we'll get back at it tomorrow and hopefully get this thing ripping. Alright, well that's gonna conclude today's video. I think I'm gonna get everything painted up here and let the shit dry overnight, and I hope hopefully you'll join me in the next episode when we give this thing a spin. Son of a bitch.